Let's make breakfast hot pockets. We're going to need 2 rolls of puff pastry dough, eggs, bacon bits, heavy cream, cheese of your choice. I've got Colby Jack and mozzarella, ham cubes. The first thing I'm going to do is heat my bacon bits and ham cubes. I like to heat my bacon bits because it helps bring out the flavor in them. I'm just going to use the rest of these. I got the diced ham cubes. I'll probably use the same amount of ham as I did bacon bits so it can be an even ratio. So about half the bag. Lost one to the floor. So this is what it looks like right now. Now I'm going to put it on the stove and let it heat up. And then I'm going to take one of the puff pastry crust, roll it out on cookie sheet. My toddler wanted to help, so of course I had to let her help. Heat it up, I'm going to pour it in the pan so that I can set it aside. We're gonna crack 4 eggs. Oh! And I like to add a little heavy cream in my eggs to help make them fluffy and to stretch even farther. Cook the egg and scramble it. Okay, the light is a little weird now because the sun is starting to set, but now we're gonna make our cheese sauce. Put some heavy cream, then some of my cheese. I'm gonna use quite a bit because I want to make sure I have enough sauce, and then I'm going to put some cheese in it. It's gonna put it in there in cubes. It does not matter, it's going to melt. And with the sauce, you really just want to kind of play around with it and add more cheese if it's too runny, or add more heavy cream if it's too thick. As soon as it cools off, the cheese will kind of solidify a little bit. So we want to keep it warm. Some cheese sauce and put some on the bottom. And preheated my oven to 425 degrees. I'm gonna go ahead and put my toppings or my filling inside. Let's see. Not done. I'm going to take the other half of my cheese sauce and just put it right on top. Just like now, we're going to take our other puff pastry. I don't know, you did it right. Place it on top. Take a fork and seal the edges. Then you want to poke 3 holes in the top of each one. Then you want to take about a tablespoon of butter, melt it down in the microwave. Then you want to take a brush and just brush the butter on top. And now we're going to put them in the oven for as long as it takes to brown. I will let y'all know how long it took.